Hi there, I'm Jen. Usually I'm over on my Instagram at Jen's Alopecia, but today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Zora wig from the Villa Perucci collection. This is a human hair wig and it is so lovely and soft. It's got nice long layers, lots of movement and body, and it is an absolutely beautiful style. So just to give you a closer look at this wig, I will flip it inside out and show the cap. So it is a wefted cap here. It's nice and stretchy, so super comfy and breathable. There is a full monofilament top, which is great because it means you can part it on either side, down the middle, wherever you want, and it will shine through to your scalp and make it look like the hair is really just growing from your head. It's got the lace front that's running from ear tab to ear tab. Again, little metal stays in the ear tabs so that it will stay perfectly in place, and the adjustable Velcro tabs at the back so that you can get it to fit your head absolutely perfectly and be super comfortable. So I'm just going to pop this wig on so you can see what she looks like when she's being worn. Just bear with me while I sort this out. Just making the adjustment so that your tabs are sitting at my temples and the hairline is about 4 fingers from my eyebrows. So as you can see, this is a lovely long style. We've got 30 centimetres of length from the crown and 19 centimetres from the front. There is a little bit of fringing here. Again, like I mentioned, it's got that full monofilament part, so you are able to part the hair any way you would like. Overall it just feels super comfortable, and because it's that human hair you can style it any way you want. So the shade I've got on just now is called Champagne Rooted. As you can see, it's just a lovely light blonde colour with a subtle root that's just slightly darker, just to really help give that really natural appearance. I've got a couple of the other colours that are available here just to show you. This one here is called Espresso Mix. It is a super dark brunette. It's just lovely and rich. Here we've got a dark chocolate mix, which has a lot of lovely dimension and different shades throughout. And this one here is chocolate mix. I'm going to pop this one on now to show you what the Zora wig looks like in one of the other colours. This is it in the chocolate mix colour. Just going to give a little spin so that you can see all the layers and the movement from different angles. So here it is from the side and the back and the other side. And again, this is a human hair wig. It is 100% Remy human hair, so it can be heat styled, curled, straightened, crimped, whatever you want to do, this wig can do it. I hope you've enjoyed hearing about the Zora wig by Villa. It's a really great wig. You can really feel how soft and good quality that Remy hair is. The cap is super comfortable, doesn't need to be glued on or anything, so it's just a perfect wig to throw on and go. It's a really popular style at Judy Plum Wigs, but there is a great stock of all the different colours. So if you'd like to see more about what's available, head over to the website. There's a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more wig reviews, subscribe to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram over at Jen's Alopecia or Judy Plum Wigs on all social medias. If you're interested in the other styles that are available here at Judy Plum, then make sure you check out our other wig reviews. As always, the full range of wigs and colours, everything, all of the details are available over on the Judy Plum website. You can see some of our customer reviews and our great prices.